let it play just a while. So for the older generation, I'm aware some of us will understand this very song when we were growing up when it comes to storytelling. If you are here looking at reading and writing, then I want to talk about the essence and significance of reading and storytelling. Now, the splendor of storytelling, let the music go down, is to portray the richness of our culture. Now, as young people, my presentation is very short, so listen. We are being encouraged to take reading and writing very seriously. And also, we are here to be engaged in terms of creative writing for experience. I quite remember when we were coming up, the song that is being played is when it was time for storytelling, a particular TV program called By the Fireside, where an elderly person gathers the children or young people, and then we were taught important lessons and certain morals through storytelling. So it's not just reading content for content's sake, but then reading and learning important values. And as young people, we enjoy reading. How many young people enjoy reading in this house? So, in our reading, as I said initially, we are not just reading for reading's sake, but learning important or key morals, values, principles, and discipline in our reading. So through storytelling, we can learn a lot of important things. And that's what we want to look at. So stories, why share your stories? Stories help us to connect with people from different places and to understand how others live, what they do, and what they find what's important. So we are here to be encouraged that in our reading, we connect to people. Sometimes when you read a piece of article or just a particular sentence in a book, you connect to the author or you connect to the writer of the book. And you begin to understand the way people live or the author's experience. Because obviously most writing comes from the writer or the author's own personal experience. Even if it is fiction, it could have been an experience and the person has written it imaginally. So the key lesson here is, as young learners, we should be very particular about the materials that we are reading. And if we are reading any material also, we do not read for reading's sake, but then learning important lessons for life, most importantly, moral values that is going to shape us in our aspirations in life. Thank you. So that's my short presentation.